here we are, Diamond Lake. We're on a camp out, overnight catch and cook. We're fishing my favorite time of the day to catch some big old trout. Here we go. I think we're gonna do it. What do you think, Ron?
Yep, we're gonna do it.
We're gonna catch some fish.
We're gonna throw everything at them.
Everything but the kitchen sink. And we might end up throwing that too. But here we go. It's a beautiful day.
He's going down, dude.
Here we are, Ron. Oh, that is a beaut. And I don't even have the net. Where is the net? Oh, right here. Ron's got a big fish on here, and it is a bruiser. Look at that pole bending. First cast. I'm jealous, but look at that. Look at that brown. Oh man, that's a nice one, Ron.
Yeah, that might be 20 3/4 inches.
Oh, that's bigger than 20 3/4. That is a beautiful fish, Ron. I mean, a beautiful fish.
We're gonna lay him down on the. Let's lay him down on the.
Look at that.
Man.
Okay.
We don't even have to touch. Well, I gotta pick him up, I guess. But, okay, let's go all the way back here.
Come.
Right there. 20. It's 19 1/4.
19 1/4 inches.
Okay, I'm gonna pick him up.
You caught him? Yeah. That's a nice fish. Oh, hold on. Well, this is it. We got Ron. Ron, what do you think about that fish you just caught? First cast, he nails a bruiser. 19 and what was it? 19 and what?
Yeah, 19 1/4.
19 1/4. Man, we're going for personal best. PR, personal records tonight. Hey Ron, what's your personal best on this lake?
20, I think 22. I'm going for the win.
Mine's 20 3/4. So, and the biggest fish that this boat's ever had it on at Diamond Lake is 23 inches. So, no, actually my dad caught one.
Let's fish.
No, not on this boat. Wasn't on this boat, but my dad's caught one on my boat I had before, 24 inches. So here we go. We're going for the personal best today. The PRs. Ron's out again, so we'll see what happens.
I'm bringing him in.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Ron with another fish. Good job, Ron.
Look at that beauty. Oh,
That's a nice looking fish.
it is.
Good job, Ron.
Thanks.
Just like that.
That's the way you do it.
That a baby. Ron up. 2-0. Ron with the fish on, and it. I mean, look at that pole, man. This could be the biggest fish of the night. We'll see. This is Ron's third one. He's up. Oh my goodness, that thing ain't even budging.
I'm kind of wondering if he's foul hooked.
I don't know, Ron. That could be a bruiser of a bruiser of a bruiser. That's how mine fought the other night. I thought I was hung up until it started. You could feel him.
That's exactly what I thought.
But you got a bruiser. Come on, we're going for PRs tonight. This is, I mean, giving Ron, I mean a tussle. I mean, look at that pole.
I'm maxed out. I don't dare put any more pressure on it.
Yeah, don't. We got all night to fight this bruiser. Oh, he's right there. He's coming in.
He's taking line now.
He's taking line.
He's
You
going
can't.
back. Oh, there he is, Jim.
There's the line. Yeah.
They head slapped that.
There you go. It's probably, I don't know, we'll see.
Holy cow.
We'll see how big he is.
Oh my gosh! Dang it. Just lay the net down, Jim. Okay, right there, Mark.
27 and a quarter.
No, 20.
21 and a half.
Oh, okay.
21 and a half. 3 pounds, 4 pounds.
There you
Hold on. Oh, that's a nice fish. Good
What
job.
was it again?
21 and a quarter.
Man, thank you.
Right here, Ron. Good job.
Thank
That's your
you.
3rd fish.
Thank you. That was
Ron strikes again. His 4th fish. And it's a bruiser. It's fighting like a
Look at that. He's taking line.
taking line. Oh boy.
Oh, this came off.
Oh, you're kidding.
All right, Jimmy's been stalling this whole time. He's
It looks like a
finally got
rainbow.
one. He's finally got one. You want the net, or are you gonna just
I'm
bring
gonna
it
see
in?
what he is.
It's a brown.
Yep, it is.
You're
My first fish of the night. Yes. Well, me and Ron on the boat at Diamond Lake. Look at that moon coming up. It is a doozy of a moon. Oh, check this out, guys. I wonder if it'll show that tree. Nope. There's a tree right in the middle of the moon. It's not going to show it on this.
You need a fork?
Well, Ron, what do you think, buddy?
Well, I tell you, I kicked your butt today.
Yeah, you did. I caught 1 to your 3. And you caught 2 monstrous bruisers.
Yep.
Well, here's the, look at that shot. It's about 9:45. You can see the bugs flying around. We're out in the boat. We're sleeping in the boat. We're gonna catch some fish in the morning. We're frying up some dogs. This is called a freezer catch and cook. It's a freezer catch and cook because we didn't catch any rainbows. They were all browns. I can honestly say that for the first time, coming up here, fishing at the time that I like to fish, we didn't catch 1 rainbow. They were all browns. This is a rainbow lake, not a brown lake. But it's turning into a brown lake. Look at that. In Bailey, it's got some snow on it. Still, look at that. That is awesome. Somebody's brewing up a big old fire over there or something. It is beautiful. Well, here we are. We're getting the bags set out. Ron, what do you think there, buddy?
Well, we're gonna get rocked to sleep tonight, Jimmy.
You got the moon. Look at that. Well, Ron, how many years have you been fishing Diamond Lake?
What year was it when you and I and James, was it Con Dewey that came up there with us?
I can't remember.
That had to be 83.
I think,
So 40 years.
yeah, I think I've been fishing this. We used to come up here when I was a 5th and 6th grader. We used to come up with my grandma's boat and we'd troll. I had my favorite thing I like to use. I like to use a Ford fender and a frog pattern flatfish. And that's what I'd like to use. And yeah, it's many moons ago. Many moons ago. Well, 40 years. This is our 40, I think our 40th year we've been graduated. So, yeah.
Yep, good times.
And your biggest fish on this lake is, what did you say it was? 21 inches?
Yeah, I think 22.
22 inches? Yeah, I think that one you caught with me that one day was pushing 22. It was a bruiser. Not very far from here.
Yeah, there's bigger in here.
Yeah. Can you believe that's all we caught today is browns? I never would have thought that you come to Diamond Lake and you can't even catch a rainbow.
Yeah, that's true. Maybe tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow it'll happen. Well, it's been a good day. We had a freezer catch and cook hot dogs. And no rainbows tonight.
That's all right.
Which I'm pretty surprised about because that's like the witching hour for rainbow fishing with a lure. We've caught some big ones out here, but not tonight. So what was the biggest fish you caught today? You caught 2 good bruisers.
Was it 21
and a quarter, I think, and 19 and something.
Yeah, that was worth the trip right there.
Yeah, because they were a handful. When you can't put your hand around a trout, that's a pretty big fish. So we're signing out. Diamond Lake. We're hitting the hay so we can get up early and supposedly catch some fish. Maybe some rainbows. I'm hoping.
We'll catch him.
We'll catch them. Right, here's where we're sleeping. And anyway, thanks for coming, Ron.
Hey, good times, man.
Been a good time. Ron with a fish on again. Number 2. He had to wake me out of bed to get the first one.
Oh man.
Look at that
He
pole
hammered
bend.
it right at the boat.
Right at the boat.
He's about the same, about 20.
Look at this thing fighting, man. He's just a good one.
He don't like it at all.
Oh,
At all.
he just caught one 20 inches, and this one's right at 20.
This is a tiger trout, Jimmy.
Oh, he's got a beautiful tiger trout. Look at the size of that thing. What are you using?
That was a brown trout.
Special? Holy cow, that's a nice fish. That's a bruiser of a fish.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm
whoa.
gonna measure it real quick.
Let's go this morning.
That is like 21 and a half, Jimmy.
21 and a half inch tiger.
Thanks for the fight.
Holy cow, you're raking these fish this morning.
Boy, he didn't like that at all.
Ron with another fish. Little rainbow. He is slaying this number 3 so far this morning. And I don't even have my shoes on.
True story. You don't want to keep this, do you?
No, he's too small.
Did catch one on this, but
Ron, how many fish you got this morning?
well, I got 4 this morning.
How many do I got?
Well, I don't remember.
Big 0. He woke me up this morning with a fish on. I was sleeping like a rock. What do you got? A 20 incher and a 21 and a... What was that? What was that tiger trout?
Oh, that was 21 and a half.
21 and a half, a 20, and a couple rainbows. It's a good morning out here. I got a lot of work ahead of me. Ron with he's got another fish. Another fish.
Man,
And it is a bruiser.
He's pulling drag, Jimmy. He's pulling drag.
This could be the boat's personal best here. Just because we've seen him come out of the water. Look at that. Are you kidding me?
Threw it. Oh boy. What's going on here, Jim?
I got a fish on, buddy.
How's it feel?
It feels
He's-
amazing.
He's going sideways.
Going sideways.
Come on over here, Jimmy.
Oh boy.
Don't let no slack in that line.
Oh no. Oh boy.
Boy, he's a head shaker.
Oh yeah.
Oh, nice.
That is a nice fish right there.
Oh, nice one, Jim.
Oh boy. Oh.
Got that sucker.
Yeah, baby.
Good job, Jimmy.
Thanks, Ron. He's nothing big, but
There's pliers here. Heck, that's
it's a nice fish.
about 19 maybe.
Yeah, let's get him up here. I'll get this.
Here's some pliers if you need, or is it already out?
It's already out. Slap him up here and see how long he is.
Heck, he's getting bigger all the time.
Oh yeah, yeah.
His tail back a little bit. Back, right, mark.
19 and a half.
All right.
Thank you, Bruiser.
Heck yeah, brother. That was awesome.
Ron
He's a tank.
with another fish.
He's a tank. We're gonna get a good view of this thing real quick. Here he comes. Come on, come on, come on.
Oh boy, he's. Look at that
Six,
pole band.
six pound test is maxed out. Oh yeah, look at that. He is right down there.
Oh yeah.
Oh. You doggy. He's right about the 20 inch about 19, 20 maybe. I'll come back there. Boy, you cannot muscle these things at all.
No, they're tanks.
Right in the face, too.
Oh, he is not wanting to come in.
No, he's foul hooked. It slid the back on him. He's got him right in the shoulder.
Beautiful fish, man.
Well, maybe it's in his mouth.
Oh yeah, you got him in the mouth.
Gosh, that thing pulled hard. Holy cow.
I mean, look at that thing. Prototype, another probably 20-incher.
Look how thick he is.
I know, he's like a dinosaur. Fighting like a zebra.
Oh my gosh, yeah, right in the corner of the mouth. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, nice fish. Look at that thing. He's scrapping. Look at that thing go. Holy cow, that thing is putting up a fight. Nice going. He's right behind you, Jim. That net's right behind you. That thing is not cooperating at all. Man, that thing was just went nuts.
Fighting like a stinking stingray.
Oh my gosh, that was awesome. What you got on there, Jim?
Little rainbow.
Look at that, man. That's gonna cook up nice. That's gonna make a fish sandwich right there, Jim.
I might throw him back.
We were really wanting one just like that last night.
Oh yeah.
Just to fit on our hot dog bun.
Look where I got him, right in the gizzard.
Hey Jim, what's going on here?
Got another tooth on. No nicer rainbow, this
Oh yeah.
Take mine. Look at that. Ooh.
Man, it's right in the sun. I'm gonna come back there.
Oh, he's just taking mine like a lizard.
See if we can get this thing in view. There he is, right there.
Look at that fish. That's a nice one, Ron.
We're waiting to see him, Jim, with anticipation. Want me to
I
lift
can
him?
barely put my hands around him.
Yeah, that is a good one.
It's a nice one.
It's a real good one.
Thank you, boy.
All right, Jim.
Oh, yeah.
He's got another one.
Oh, rainbow.
Let's see if I can see it out there. I see it right there. Little, about the same size, about 14 looks like.
He's fighting like a savage.
You want me to help you net that sucker?
I'll get him. Look at that baby. Ooh, tailgate.
keeper right there. Don't let him in the anchor rope.
Let's go.
That's a good one. All right, Jimmy's got a fish using power bait. And this thing, so Jim, that net's laying behind you on the other side of the yellow box.
He's not close to being ready yet.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good rainbow.
Yeah, it is. As long as I don't get a tiger.
He's in the net, or he's in the rope. Get him, Jimmy, get him. Jim, you're gonna have to use that net to scoop him up.
He's almost out. I'm ready to fight.
Good job, brother. That was good. Heck yeah. What is that, 14, 15, 16?
He's a handful.
Nice job, Jim.
Ron with a fish, his 6th fish of the day. First rainbow.
Yep.
Good job, Ron.
First rainbow on power bait.
This guy right here is the Diamond Lake Slayer.
The Diamond Lake Assassin.
That's for sure. Yeah, good job, Ron.
Yep.
Ron with another fish on. Look at that thing. Since he's got serious about catching fish, he's like...
Yeah, much better. Oh, sorry, bud.
One thing about these fish, they smoke up, I mean delicious. These smaller ones.
I need a pair of pliers.
Okay, let me get you a pair. Hold that fish up, Ron. Look at that. That's 2 in 5 minutes. The Diamond Lake Assassin. Ron, just what happened?
I have no idea what happened there.
His pole just goes down.
I'm gonna cast right back out there.
The Diamond Lake Assassin is putting on a show right now, a clinic. Well, what's going on, Ron?
Diamond Lake Assassin strikes again. All in about 10 minutes.
You got it. He got another one on.
4 fish.
I mean,
Oh, it's a better fish.
oh yeah. Oh yeah.
15 inches.
I'm gonna have to get the net.
You have to get the net, dude.
I'm gonna have to get the net. Look at that fish. That's a nice one. He's all over. Oh, gosh. Look at that.
Thanks, Jim.
That is a nice fish.
That's the way you do it. That's the way the assassin works.
The Diamond Lake Assassins put 3 fish on the boat in less than 5 minutes.
Man, that was a lot nicer fish.
That's a nice one.
Come here, little rascal.
These little guys are going in the smoker.
Yeah, dude. Heck yeah, dude. That thing busted off and hit me in the face.
Yeah, you put on a little longer leader.
No, I had the same one on, Jim. That's what I wanted to do, but...
Good job, Ron. We're getting a showing in there. Ron's putting on a clinic. He's putting on a trout fishing clinic. God is good, man.
told you there were rainbows in this lake, Jim.
I won't ever doubt you again. I just wanted to show you guys how many boats are out on this lake. I have never seen this many boats on this lake. It is probably 100 boats out here. On with another fish. That's right, Ron, with another fish.
He about jerked that pole over. He hit so hard, but he's just a guppy. They're pretty scrappy for their
Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
miniature size.
That's perfect for the smoker. Ron, the Diamond Lake Assassin. Good job, Ron.
Thanks, buddy.
Ron, you guessed it, another fish. Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
You got those pliers.
Oh yeah.
There they are right here, Jimmy.
Luckily I didn't lose them. Good job, Ron.
Yeah.
Ron, with the fish on.
I don't think we can let this one go. He's a little bit bigger.
That'll be fine. Look at that. That's a nice one.
Maybe not. I don't know.
What a difference a week makes. Man, we have caught a lot of fish this week. Look at that. Good job, Ron. That's a good one to end on.
Okay.
I was going to use my table and fillet him out here, but I think it's illegal, so we're not going to do it.
Dang it.
We'll have to go down to the fish cleaning station. Hopefully we can find a parking spot. All right. Ron with his fish with Bailey in the background.
Yeah.
Pull this thing out.
There we go. That didn't work.
That's a mess of trout right there.
Ouch. Scissors are sharp.
There you go. Got the fish on there. Well, Ron, how many fish did we catch today?
Jeez. Or 3 browns, 1 tiger, threw 2 rainbows back, I think.
Anyway, we caught quite a few. I think I've got 7 for the day.
And it's, what, 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. We're gonna wrap this up and get her going.